Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrainingsolutions.com on a Tuesday, 30th December. One more trading day left in the year, obviously 2026, setting up for an interesting new year as usual. Let's get right into the charts again. Subscribe to the newsletter. I wrote about metals last Sunday. Let's get right into the charts. With regards to the indexes, just dead in the water, really, just treading water, not really much of anything to really discuss. We're kind of just hovering around this 69.85 all-time highs. NASDAQ still lagging big time relative to the highs. So I think institutions are pretty much just going to ride out the year end, which really sets up for an interesting Friday, which Friday is going to be, even though light trading, we're going to have that will be technically the first full trading day of the 2026. We will see, all the mega caps are lagging again. Even the RSP is flat. So more or less, again, just treading water into the end of the year. I don't see that changing much until next week when officially, volume comes back and so forth. Couple things, Bitcoin also probably going to be worth watching to see if it breaks down. Uh, Rates, nothing new there to discuss. It's just been pretty dead. Let's see if they break 410. Next week, we've got a bunch of interesting stuff. A possible Fed decision coming up. The court case for the tariffs, I think, will probably have an impact on the markets. Um, and, potential shutdown at the end of January. Obviously, that's still a month away. So we'll see. Dollar not, trying to rally here. We'll see if that changes anything. Again, all the action in the last several days have been in the metals and the commodities. So gold, it's had the most feeble rally really of all the metals so far, which means probably suggests that it's going to be really critical on gold that it holds 4,300. That's the level to look at. See if there's an actual topping formation. I think if it holds 4,300, you probably just get another sideways action like we did here. But too early to say. Clearly, we had that type of move before that resulted in a big pullback and then eventually obviously made an all-time high. But it is a little tricky right now, but more and more signs signaling that we could be uh, signaling another near-term top. Similar with silver, um, that also attempted. This has obviously been a stronger pullback, and now it's given back some. So this is also interesting. I was talking about the character of the rally, whether it fails to make another new high or it rolls over. It's starting to roll over, but I think it's still too early. I think if we break 70, that's going to be another key indication of a top. And all the metals are in the same boat. You see, they're kind of trading similarly. 2,300 on platinum is going to be key uh, on the upside, and breaking 2,100 would confirm the top. So those are the markets to look at, and it's going to be obviously, I think they'll follow through next week or even Friday over the weekend as well. Oil, I think there's some risk to oil with all of with Venezuela and uh, Russia, Ukraine peace talks, Israel, all that kind of stuff is going to impact oil. It seems to me like it may want to break out above 58, uh, but we'll see. Nat gas did attempt a breakout earlier today and fell right back down. Uh, if it holds 4 MBTU here, right along this breakout point, then it can get going. But knowing how nat gas trades, it's tough to say. I think we'll again, similar to the metals, you need some confirmation to get it above 425. long term, I'm still very bullish on that gas, but in the short term, there's just a ton of volatility, lots of chop. In the near term, I think if we can hold on to this breakout point and rally and take out this 425 level, I think we got a shot maybe back up to five. Um, with respect to the other commodities, grains dead in the water, not even to talk about. And sentiment again, very bullish going into the new year. Could set up for an air pocket coming into the first part of the year. The mega caps very mixed bag today. Nvidia can't get any kind of traction here. Keeps holding around 188. I think 183 could be possible here, and the rest, the other one you want to look at is Oracle. I think if it breaks above 200, it's get a run, maybe gets a run up to 225. So all in all, very, very quiet markets. Um, Probably we have to wait till Monday of next week to get action back in the indexes and so forth. Even Friday, I think may be interesting. So again, subscribe to the newsletter, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up. Have a happy new year. Look forward to next year. It's going to be another exciting year. Of course, that's what we love about trading. So have a great holiday. Happy New Year to everybody, and we'll see you on Friday. Take care. See you next year.